windiest and driest place on Earth. A vast wilderness of ice and snow, Antarctica is a continent of stark beauty. This frozen land is a continent of contrasts. Towering glaciers meet the Southern Ocean. The midnight sun bathes the landscape in an ethereal glow. The aurora australis dances across the night sky. Antarctica is a place of wonder. For centuries, Antarctica has captured the imagination of explorers and adventurers. They braved treacherous seas and unforgiving conditions to reach this remote corner of the world. Today, scientists continue to unlock Antarctica's secrets. Antarctica is a continent of global importance. Its ice sheet holds a vast amount of fresh water. Its waters teem with life. Its climate influences weather patterns around the world. Antarctica is a continent we must protect. Antarctica is a continent sculpted by ice. Vast ice sheets cover most of the landmass. These ice sheets are up to 2 miles thick in places. They contain about 70% of the world's fresh water. Glaciers flow slowly from the interior to the coast. These rivers of ice carve deep valleys and fjords. Icebergs, some larger than cities, break off from the glaciers. They drift across the Southern Ocean, a testament to the power of nature. The Transantarctic Mountains divide the continent in two. These mountains are home to some of the most extreme environments on Earth. Active volcanoes like Mount Erebus add to the dramatic landscape. The dry valleys of Antarctica are a unique feature. These valleys are free of ice and snow. They're among the driest places on Earth. The dry valleys are a window into Antarctica's geological past. Despite the harsh conditions, life thrives in Antarctica. Penguins are the most iconic animals of this frozen continent. These flightless birds are perfectly adapted to life in and around water. They waddle across the ice and dive into the frigid ocean in search of food. Seals are another common sight in Antarctica. These marine mammals are well equipped for life in cold water. They have a thick layer of blubber to keep them warm. Leopard seals, elephant seals, and Weddell seals are just a few of the species found here. Whales migrate to Antarctic waters to feed during the summer months. These majestic creatures come to feast on the abundance of krill. Humpback whales, minke whales, and orcas are among the species that visit Antarctica. Seabirds, such as albatrosses and petrels, soar above the Southern Ocean. They come to Antarctica to breed and raise their young. The abundance of krill and fish provides a rich source of food for these birds. Antarctica has the most extreme climate on Earth. It is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent. Temperatures can plummet to minus 80 degrees Celsius or 112 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds can reach speeds of over 320 kilometers per hour or 200 miles per hour. The interior of Antarctica is a polar desert. It receives very little precipitation. Most of the continent receives less than 200 millimeters or 8 inches of precipitation per year. This is less than the Sahara Desert. The coastal regions of Antarctica are slightly warmer and wetter than the interior. However, even here conditions can be harsh. Strong winds and blizzards are common. The seasons in Antarctica are reversed from those in the northern hemisphere. Summer runs from December to February, while winter lasts from June to August. During the summer months, the sun never sets below the horizon in Antarctica. This is known as the midnight sun. Section 5. Secrets in the ice. Antarctica is a continent of scientific discovery. Scientists from around the world come to Antarctica to study its unique environment. They are unlocking the secrets of Earth's past, present, and future. The ice sheet holds a record of Earth's climate history. By drilling deep into the ice, scientists can extract ice cores. These cores contain trapped air bubbles that provide information about the atmosphere from thousands of years ago. Antarctica is also home to a variety of meteorites. These meteorites have fallen to Earth from space. They provide valuable clues about the formation of the solar system. The waters surrounding Antarctica are teeming with life. Scientists are studying the unique adaptations of marine organisms that thrive in this extreme environment. This research may lead to new discoveries in medicine and biotechnology. Antarctica is also a valuable location for studying astronomy. The clear skies and lack of light pollution make it an ideal place to observe the stars. Section 6. Exploring the unknown. For centuries, Antarctica has been a magnet for explorers and adventurers. The first confirmed sighting of the continent was in 1820. Since then, countless expeditions have ventured to this remote and unforgiving land. Early explorers faced incredible hardships. They battled treacherous seas, freezing temperatures, and howling winds. They had limited supplies and relied on their courage and determination to survive. Today, modern technology has made it easier to reach and explore Antarctica. However, it is still a challenging environment. Scientists and support staff who work in Antarctica must be physically and mentally prepared for the extreme conditions. International cooperation is essential for scientific research in Antarctica. The Antarctic Treaty system, signed in 1959, ensures that Antarctica is used for peaceful purposes and scientific research. Section 7, a land of extremes. Antarctica is a land of extremes in every sense. It is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth. It is home to the largest ice sheet, the highest average elevation, and the most pristine environment. The sheer scale of Antarctica is difficult to comprehend. It is larger than Europe and almost twice the size of Australia. The vastness of the landscape can be both awe-inspiring and intimidating. The silence of Antarctica is another unique feature. With no permanent human settlements, the only sounds are those of nature. The wind howling across the ice, the cracking of glaciers, and the calls of penguins and seals are all part of the Antarctic soundscape. The isolation of Antarctica is also profound. It is the most remote continent on Earth, separated from other landmasses by vast oceans. This isolation has helped to preserve its pristine environment. Section 8. The importance of Antarctica. Antarctica plays a crucial role in the global climate system. Its ice sheet reflects sunlight back into space, helping to regulate Earth's temperature. The Southern Ocean surrounding Antarctica absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, mitigating climate change. The melting of the Antarctic ice sheet is a major concern. As global temperatures rise, the ice sheet is melting at an alarming rate. This is contributing to rising sea levels, which threaten coastal communities around the world. Antarctica is also a vital habitat for a variety of species. Penguins, seals, whales, and seabirds all rely on the Antarctic ecosystem for their survival. Protecting this unique environment is essential for their well-being. The study of Antarctica provides valuable insights into our planet's past, present, and future. By understanding the processes that shape Antarctica, we can better understand Earth as a whole. Section 9, Guardians of the South. The future of Antarctica depends on our actions. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing all pose threats to this fragile environment. It is our responsibility to protect this pristine continent for future generations. The Antarctic Treaty system provides a framework for international cooperation in Antarctica. It prohibits military activity, promotes scientific research, and protects the environment. Reducing our carbon footprint is essential for mitigating climate change and protecting Antarctica. We can all make a difference by reducing our energy consumption, using public transportation, and supporting renewable energy sources. Supporting organizations that are working to protect Antarctica is another way to make a difference. These organizations are conducting research, raising awareness, and advocating for policies to protect this fragile ecosystem. Section 10. The future of Antarctica. The future of Antarctica hangs in the balance. The choices we make today will determine the fate of this icy continent. Will we continue to exploit its resources, or will we choose to protect it? International cooperation is essential for addressing the challenges facing Antarctica. We must work together to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, prevent pollution, and manage fisheries sustainably. Educating future generations about the importance of Antarctica is crucial. By fostering a sense of wonder and respect for this unique environment, we can inspire them to become its stewards. Antarctica is a reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet. What happens in Antarctica affects us all. By protecting Antarctica, we are protecting ourselves and future generations. Section 11. A timeless wonder. Antarctica, a continent of ice and wonder, continues to captivate our imagination. Its stark beauty, unique wildlife, and scientific importance make it a place of endless fascination. The frozen continent holds a special place in our hearts. It is a reminder of the power of nature, the importance of international cooperation, and our responsibility to protect our planet. As we look to the future, let us ensure that Antarctica remains a place of wonder for generations to come. Let us be inspired by its beauty to create a more sustainable future for all. Let us cherish this frozen wilderness, this last great wilderness on Earth.